Hello, we're making steamed Chinese, ginger soy steamed fish, and what I want everybody to understand is that I did a modified version. So this is part one, and then the next part is going to be plating. First of all, we combined fresh ginger, pepper, cilantro, green onions, sugar, soy sauce, light and dark, and oyster sauce. But you can also use fish sauce if you don't have it, because it's basically getting the fishy taste. And you're gonna not only cook this sauce, and you're gonna cook the fish individually. Then you're gonna pour it all together. Now, the recipe have it where you're putting it separately, and there's different parts, but we're gonna combine it so it works out. It should have a specific taste. And also, I put, instead of just steaming it, I put in the broiler because basically I didn't have a steamer, and broiler works just as well. But I will say this, make sure you put it on low. Even though the skin looks a little burnt, it's still looking good. Remember to put olive oil inside the pan so it doesn't stick so bad, and to stir everything up. So after we stir everything up, we're going to come over here. We pulled out the fish because this is one of the important parts. Bringing it all down here. We're going to slowly but surely start putting everything together. Now, I'm slowly putting in the parts right here because we're eventually just going to pour it over. But I do want to make sure that these pieces are put on the fish at specific points. Make it a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. As you can see, there's a lot of ginger. As the recipe shows, it's about ginger. So if you don't have a lot of ginger, I would say get 2 branches of ginger for this. Don't skip on the ginger. If you don't have a light and dark soy, so it's okay. A lot of places don't actually have that. So just use regular soy sauce. Sometimes they have a sweetened one. It's more to do with how long it was cooked and fermented about that. So it's not a big deal, Make sure you try to use brown sugar with the soy sauce, but if you can't, that's okay. The main thing is that you have enough sugar, because soy sauce is kind of sour. What's going on? And so after that, we're all put together, and it'll cook for another 5-10 minutes, and then we're done. And then we're going to show the plated thing. But as you can see, it looks nice and pretty. It's going to basically get all the juices in and just cook it all the way in. Remember, we're on low, so halfway point of when you're steaming or you're broiling your fish, put on the sauce. So what we're going to do is we're going to push it back in as best we can. Hopefully not make it a little... And there we go. And there we go. We'll come back when we're plated. All right. Bye.